Are you looking for the best router tables in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 7 best router tables that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 7th product on our list is the Bosch RA1181 benchtop router table. The Bosch RA1181 offers an excellent combination of durability, adjustability, precision, and value. It is equipped with an aluminum tabletop, base plate, and fence that provide a perfectly flat surface with zero movement caused by temperature and humidity fluctuations. The kit comes with medium-density fiberboard MDF faceplates for the fence, along with an assortment of throat plates, 2 featherboards, a bit guard, and a vacuum port. It also includes a power switch with 2 outlets to accommodate a router and vacuum. This router table is compatible with most of the popular router brands and models. Unlike the aluminum tabletop, the table legs are made of molded plastic. The table is equipped with a cord wrap on one end and a tool pocket for organizing bits and spare parts on the other. The base offers 4 per-drilled holes for screw mounting the router table to a benchtop. Alternatively, the feet can be clamped in place. It took us about an hour to assemble and mount the RA1181 router table, and another 30 minutes to install the router and level the base plate. The instructions were adequate. While researching this unit, we noted several reviewer complaints that hinted toward a complicated assembly, difficulty leveling the base, and a tabletop that was not truly flat. We experienced none of those issues. It was simply a matter of assemble the tool and get to work. We were very pleased with the results. Once securely mounted on the bench, the table was completely stable during operation. The fence adjustments worked as designed. The accessories provided everything needed to safely operate the equipment. The only potential weak point was the power switch, which felt kind of flimsy, although we didn't experience any malfunctions because of it. Up next in the 6th place is the Bosch RA1141 portable benchtop router table. With its sturdy construction, portable design, and wide variety of additional features, this Bosch benchtop router table is a worthy addition to any home workshop. It features an ample 26-inch long by 16, 5-inch wide workspace, which can capably handle boards up to 6 or 7 feet long. Its 1-inch thick laminated MDF top provides a sturdy work surface. The tall fence with 2 adjustable featherboards serves as a secure guide when running material through the router. The base plate uses a click mounting system that attaches to the router in seconds, and it's compatible with routers from most major tool brands, including Craftsman, DeWalt, Hitachi, Ryobi, Milwaukee, Makita, and Bosch. A T-slot runs the length of the table and works with the included miter gauge. This table has bins integrated into its legs for storing extra bits and base plates. Foldable legs make this 33-pound router table portable. The Bosch RA1141 router table was one of the most affordable and easiest to set up in the entire test group. We appreciated that it came with everything needed to get started on basic projects: throat plates, adjustable featherboards, and a miter gauge. Although the click mounting system was less precise than some of our top performers, it worked well for production projects like edge shaping. Still, it is not ideal for projects with tight tolerances to prevent unwanted leg movement during operation. This table must be clamped or screwed down to the benchtop. Coming in at number 5 is the Skil router table and fixed base router kit. This router table and fixed base router combo from Skil is a convenient and affordable package that's especially appealing for router table beginners. The table features a sturdy work surface made of laminated MDF, a metal router mounting plate with a quick attachment bracket, onboard storage for bits and tools, and a tall fence that works well with bulkier workpieces. The included router has a 10-amp motor, soft start switch, and a variable speed controller to accommodate bits of different types and sizes. although some assembly was required. This was one of the easier tables to set up. Altogether, attaching the legs, assembling and attaching the fence, and installing and adjusting the router took about 30 minutes. Not every router table in our test group included its own power switch, but this one includes a dual outlet paddle switch for safe and convenient power control. The lightweight legs on the table necessitate clamping or screwing the unit to the benchtop. Even with that done, we experienced a slight wobble while feeding larger and heavier work pieces. As with some of the other budget-friendly models, this table and mounting system was not the best at precision work, but functioned well for edge shaping and other tasks with wider tolerances. We really liked the router, too. It provided plenty of power to efficiently drive large and small bits, even in hardwood. At number 4 we have the Kreg PRS2100 Precision Benchtop Router Table. When it comes to the best router tables, quality construction and materials make all the difference. Kreg's Benchtop Router Table has a laminated MDF tabletop supported by wide stance, heavy-duty steel legs. A full-size phenolic insert plate supports even the largest routers, and has integrated levelers for fine-tuning. Multiple rings enable proper bit sizing. Other notable features of the Kreg PRS2100 are its aluminum miter gauge slot, adjustable extruded aluminum fence, and dust collection system. Those who are sensitive to router noise can enclose the router via pre-drilled holes in the table's base. We really liked the simple, sturdy design of the Kreg router table. The steel stand was easy to assemble and very sturdy, and we liked the laminated MDF top, which features a friction and vibration-resistant textured surface. Setting up the router required drilling, but we followed one of several pre-drawn schematics on the underside of the baseplate, and it was not difficult to get it right. This setup is truly universal in that users can customize the baseplate if their router does not match up with any of the schematic patterns. Once assembled, using the table was a mostly pleasant experience. We would have liked it to include a switch plate, which Kreg sells separately. As it was, we reached under the table to control the power with the tool's switch. Adjustments were easy to make and secure, but we borrowed a set of featherboards from another unit to help control the feed. This was a really nice basic table, but it lacked several important accessories. Still, Kreg's Benchtop Router Table is an excellent option for those who can swing its steep price tag. The third product on our list is the Rockler Convertible Benchtop Router Table. For smaller wood shops or users who need a higher degree of portability, the Rockler Convertible Benchtop Router Table is tough to beat. This lightweight router table features a unique folding design that makes storage and transport super easy. It can be wall or bench mounted for space-saving efficiency. Rockler's folding router table comes with an MDF tabletop and an adjustable fence. The router insert plate is sold separately. This table required assembly, which took about 30 minutes to complete. We attached the feet, fastened the locking pin retainers to the legs, and assembled the fence. It's important to note that the table does not come with a router mounting plate. That's an additional purchase, which seemed a bit odd. Other units simply offered a plate with multiple screw hole options or drilling templates, which was much more convenient. Once assembled, the Rockler folding router table worked as advertised. We clamped it to a benchtop for a few cuts, then moved it to a wall-mounted position for a few more cuts. The best and most unique aspect of this table is its lightweight portability. It worked pretty well for small pieces, but the small tabletop was impractical for larger and heavier project pieces, which was to be expected. It was sturdier than we had anticipated, but it did wobble a bit. Adjustability was fairly basic but effective. To us, it felt like a strong option for occasional use on craft projects, but perhaps not for frequent, intensive use. Second on our list is the Bosch RA1171 cabinet-style router table. You won't have to worry about dust if you choose this cabinet-style router table from Bosch. which contains 2 dust collection ports to keep the workshop sawdust-free. The sturdy MDF table also comes with 2 easy-to-use featherboards, which provide extra guidance and protection against kickback, and are fully adjustable to fit a variety of workpieces. This cabinet-style router table's large laminated workbench top utilizes a rigid cast aluminum mounting plate, which is pre-drilled for use with many popular routers and allows you to make above-table height adjustments. Other reasons this router table is worthy of consideration. It has a large aluminum fence, a dual-outlet power switch, and it can be mounted to a workbench with clamps or screws via 4 pre-drilled holes. The cabinet offers additional storage space for router bits and accessories. Assembling this table took a little longer than others we tested, in part because of the fully enclosed cabinet base, but also due to a few odd connection points. The tool track on the fence, in particular, requires spacers for attached tools to align with the fence faces below. We found this detail unnecessarily cumbersome. Once assembled, however, this was one of the sturdiest bench-top models. Adjustments to the router and fence were easy to make and secure once set. Finally, the top product on our list is the Dremel 231 Shaper Router Table. A Dremel rotary tool is handy for small craft projects, including routing and shaping small pieces. Measuring just 8 inches long by 6 inches wide, Dremel's portable table might be the smallest router table on the market. This attachment can connect to a Dremel corded or cordless rotary tool and transform the device into a wood shaper. The Dremel 231 is made of durable and lightweight plastic, so it's easy to store or carry to the worksite. This table mounts to a workbench with standard C-clamps, or you can permanently mount it with screws via pre-molded mounting holes. Other key features on this Dremel router table attachment include a fence for precision cuts and a plastic safety guard. This portable router table does have one limitation. It is only compatible with Dremel corded and cordless models. After installing our Dremel tool into the table base and clamping the table to our bench top, we were pleasantly surprised with the level of control this table provided. It only took about 3 minutes to set up, and we were able to change bits without disassembling the system. Our test pieces measured no larger than 12 inches long by 3 inches wide by 1/4 inch thick, which seemed ideal for this system. The slotted thumb screws and plastic wing nuts made it fairly easy to assemble and make adjustments. There were no fixed benchmarks or measuring devices built into the table, so we had to use a T-square ruler to set up the fence accurately. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.